Hello everyone, welcome to my Study Corner YouTube channel. Today we're going to share a speech on gardening as a hobby. Gardening can turn out to be a great hobby as well as a nice outdoor activity. It can contribute to us by providing us the daily quota of exercise in disguise. So, friends, take a little time off your electronic gadgets and come out to the garden with a shovel in hand. Gardening will bring you close to the nature and also it gives you peace of mind. While houses nowadays are built without any space for a big garden inside the compound, the lucky ones must not miss out the chance to utilize the precious and dormant piece of land available to them. If a little effort is given daily, we will get the opportunity to reap the results of what we had sown. These small sections of vegetables grown gives yield for a whole season and thus all the work is worth it. Both hectic schedule and nature conditions at present do not allow us to take a long nature walk daily. This quota can be filled up if half an hour or 45 minutes of gardening is done daily or on alternative days. It involves the arms. Gardening uses the whole body as we move around digging, planting, weeding, and watering. It is found that gardening helps patients of dementia by giving them positive attitude, better sleep pattern, well-being, and functioning. Gardening involves planning the layout of the garden, researching different plants that thrive in various conditions, etc. So accomplishing all these gives mental happiness and it opens up our mood. If enough space is not available, one may grow plants selectively in tubs or even big tins. Gardening is an outdoor activity, so few things must be kept in mind to enjoy it thoroughly. One may wear a hat or a full sleeve clothes if working in the sun. After basic work till sowing the seeds, we need to keep checking the plant siblings, water them every day, remove unwanted plants growing nearby, and according to how much is needed, pest control must be done. The little land that was craving for beautification and attention has already got what it needed, and it is all that is needed to make us happy. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.